Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradex. My name is Joe, the CEO of Tradex and a full-time trader. Today, I'm walking you through a live BTC trade I took on the 15-minute time frame chart. From entry to exit, the way I planned it, my psychology while the trade was running, and the way I executed that strategy, and everything behind the scenes. So let's get started. There's no major news on USD pairs today, so I'm going to stay patient, watch the price action, and wait for my setup to come to me. Alright, so now I just placed a sell pending order at a very clean level. I'm not chasing the market, I'm letting it come to me. So let's wait and see.
One eternity later.
Okay, boom, there it goes. Order triggered. Nice. So we're officially in the trade now. This one's running on BTC on the 15-minute time frame. So let's see. You can already see why I placed my entry where I did. We had that hesitation, but more importantly, the previous candle showed rejection from the upside. Until then, I'm not gonna touch anything. That's the whole point of pre-planning. Like, why do all the analysis just to cancel it emotionally in real time, right? So I'm just gonna wait. And in the meantime, let me tell you something real. Most traders aren't losing because they don't know where to exit. They're losing because they don't know where to enter. They jump in too early or too late or after the price is already moved. That's why the Tradex entry formula is so important for me. It solves the universal problem of hesitation and FOMO. How many times have you entered a good looking trade, got stopped out at break even, and then watched the price run all the way to take profit? I've been there, and that's the break even trader trap. Scared to lose, so you keep cutting out too early. You're protecting fear and not profits. This is why I always say learn to manage your trades like a business decision. Use trailing stops logically, scale out strategically, and journal honestly. Wow, I should quote that. Put it on the screen. Sometimes it's like sitting down and watching the trades run. It's pretty cool. I've done this like a million times, but it's still pretty cool. Now here's what I'm gonna do after the fourth candle forms. Usually this is a big candle moving in our direction, which is a good sign. Once it's nearly closed, alright, so I'm just gonna move my SL to break even, wait into a little bit of profit. I'm protecting my trade while also respecting the momentum. But I do think the price can retrace and come back down. And yeah, sometimes the price does reject back after that, but I'm confident the overall direction is still down. This way, I avoid giving back too much profit, but I'm also not stopping myself out prematurely. Patience is important, but so is locking in gains. Look, I didn't figure all of this out on my own. I had guidance, I had a mentor, and my mentor is my dad, who's been in the financial markets for over 11 years, so he knows what he's talking about. And he's the reason I got into this early and became profitable sooner than most traders out there. And it wasn't just about learning setups, it was about having someone who actually wanted me to win, you know? Like level up. And someone who actually checked my charts, watched me from distance, and corrected my mistakes in my mindset. And that's not a course, that's actually mentorship. And I'm very lucky to have him. And that's why I opened up my Mentorship 101 program, that is Tradex Elite Mentorship. A live, interactive program where we work together. I don't do fluff, no nonsense, no pre-recorded course or recorded content, just real people, real sessions, and real improvement. So if you're serious about fixing your flaws and understanding yourself as a trader and becoming the best version of the trader you are meant to be, then apply now with the link in the description box below. Alright, so this trade played out beautifully. We got the third candle push rejection at the low. I trailed my stop loss. Why? Because I might think the price could reject off from this level soon. So I want to take some profits off the table early. I'm protecting my trade while also respecting the momentum. But I do think the price can retrace and come back down. But the overall direction and bias for today is sell, so. Alright, so this trade played out beautifully and locked in profit of $1,092. Solid. Today's profit, $1,092. Look, it wasn't magic, it was structured, timing, and execution. And I did all of this based off my Tradex entry formula. This thing literally changed my life. And no, this isn't some scammy signal group. I'm not an indicator. I'm not here to tell you when to buy or what to sell. I'm here to help you become the best version of trader that you are meant to be. So before I move on, I'm going to log this data into my journal. And if you want the same journal I'm using for yourself, just DM us on Instagram, Tradex Journal, and I'll send the link to you for completely free. Now here's what I'm writing today. Did I follow my trading plan? Yes, I did. Did I manage emotions properly? Of course. And I'm just going to put a screenshot of this and we'll be done. Now, if mentorship isn't your thing yet, no worries. I've created a free traders community, which is in the description box below. I'm just going to give you a quick little rundown. So when you join, you'll get a welcoming server with clear rules and structure. Announcements section, I'll drop my alerts and early insights on future videos. And we have trading channels. In the trading section, I share my daily BTCUSD analysis and my outlook on it. No guesswork, just real daily bias before the day starts. And then we have crypto, forex, and gold trade section, where I post my trades that I take, the full breakdown, the result, and my thought process. And then we have the community section. This is where the real connection happens. And this is where traders help each other, ask questions, and share their view of trade ideas. And I built this because I couldn't find a place like this when I was starting out. Most trading communities were either too toxic or too selfish. This one isn't. And if you want help or support, or if you have any doubt, there's even a live Q&A where you can open up a ticket and I'll personally respond. The link is in the description box below, so don't miss out and come join us at Tradex. Listen, trading is hard. No one talks about the emotional weight it carries. You sit there watching candles, questioning yourself every minute. I've been there. But you get stronger by journaling, reflecting, and trading with intention or intent. Keep showing up, keep tracking, and keep adjusting. You're not here for shortcuts. You're here to master it. And that's what we do at Tradex. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. And if you found any value in this video so far, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe.